Hey everybody, this is Peter with BibleMoneyMatters.com, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the 4th generation Tablo TV DVR. I've been a big fan of the Tablo DVRs for years now. We've had the 1st generation Tablo DVR going on 5 or 6 years now, and we use it every single day. My wife loves it, I love it. So when we heard about a new 4th generation DVR coming out, we decided we wanted to have a look at it. So the folks over at Tablo were kind enough to send us a review version of the 4th generation DVR. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is the 4th generation Tablo DVR. It's a whole home DVR. You hook it up to an antenna, and then you hook it up to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then you can view the recorded shows or live TV on any of your connected devices, whether it's a Fire TV, Google TV, Android device, iOS device, and soon you'll be able to do it on Apple TV as well. They're still working on the app for that, but it has 2 ATSC 1.0 tuners, has 128 gigabytes of onboard storage for over 50 hours of HD recording capacity right out of the box, and you can add a USB hard drive for up to 8 terabytes of additional storage. So you can record tons and tons of shows. So let's open this box up and take a look at what we got here. So right out of the box, this looks like a high quality packaging, almost like something you'd see for an Apple device or something. Very nice. And this Tablo is actually a lot smaller than our original version that we have. It's white here, has a little LED here, and then you have all of your connectivity back here. You have power, you have Ethernet, USB hard drive, and this right here is for your antenna. Alright, so put that down there. Let's see what else we've got in here. Alright, so we've got the Tablo TV Quick Start Guide, which gives you details on what's in the box, including an Ethernet cable, Tablo device, power supply, and a Quick Start Guide, which we have right here. Gives you a look at what's on the back of the Tablo here, and it gives you the instructions for hooking it up for the first time. So we'll put that to the side here. Let's see what else we've got. It says here Tablo can be wall mounted, optional, so you have the spot on the back here where you can wall mount the device. Alright, so here we have the Ethernet cable. I'm not going to take that out right now. We've got the power cable. We've got the Ethernet cable. And now you've also got some screws for doing the wall mount option if you want to do that. So there we have it. All the things that you're going to find inside the box of the 4th generation Tablo DVR. You have your Tablo device itself, you have the Ethernet cord, you have the power cable, wall mount screws, and you have a quick start guide over here. This does look very promising, the 4th generation, because it, first of all, is subscription free. It has guide data, which the previous Tablo versions had, but there was a subscription fee that you had to pay in order to get that guide data and cover art and other things like that. With this device, the guide data is free, and it also has 40 plus ad-supported streaming channels, which can be streamed and recorded as well. A lot of those channels are probably going to be similar to some of the other free channels you find on other services like Tubi or Pluto TV or other services. But that's kind of a nice added feature that wasn't available in the previous versions of the Tablo. It's a whole new interface with whole new apps for the 4th generation as well. And this is the first Tablo device since Scripps purchased Tablo a little while back. So They're going to be adding a bunch of new features and functionality that they were only able to do after they were purchased by Scripps. So definitely a cool device. I'm very excited to set it up and see what it can do, and we'll do another video once we get that set up to kind of walk you through what the Tablo 4th generation can do as far as watching live TV and recording TV shows. What are some of the new features that are cool and how they work. So stay tuned for that.